Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get verified on Instagram. So let's get started. On your profile page, go to the top right and click on the three lines. This will open up settings and activity. Go and click on account center. At the top, you then need to scroll down and click on show that your profile is verified. You can then go and see the benefits here, verified badge and other things as well. Click on unlock benefits to continue. You can add a profile and get a discount. So I just want to do this. So I'll click on sign up. You can then go and see the cost here. It will vary depending upon your currency. And then you can go and see the benefit and we can then press continue. What I can then do is going to start my subscription like so. I'm required to set up two-factor authentication, which I can go and do. And that's it. It's now active so we can invite friends, but I'll go and skip that now. When I go back to my profile, you will go and see the blue tick. When I refresh it, it will come like that. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.